First of all, I want to introduce myself. I'm Phayu and Samandi Korp Achan. And right now is the code that we're looking at the task that we need to do. The first mean modify the project one and add a new task, and each sensor in the super board, and use the value on the sensor and on individual tasks every 10 seconds. And the first that Superboard that have two sensors, ATS22 and BMP 280. They have the pressure, temperature, and humidity. So we will plot the value from the sensor. And the third is mean another task, create a web server display and get all the last volume from a timestamp, probably that I use MQTT. And right now, I want to explain one by one. The first, I include library that have uh, some library of the sensor and free tools and public client that is part of MQTT. And this one is the surname, password, client, and Wi-Fi. And this that I mentioned before that it is sensor from the superboard that we have two, MBP 280 and SAT40, and the volume that we plot is have the same board, have the temperature, humidity, air pressure or temperature in the air, and timestamp. And I separate tasks as like the first one is sender that we send data to the queue and with sensor and with from the sensor and send data to the queue. And the second one is mean receiver that we receive data from the queue and publish to the MQTT. And the third one is mean real-time clock that we try to use the call and following the instruction. And right now we looking at the task, each task that had delay 1 second and is the timestamp, and every 10 seconds is will cross the data volume and update. And this one is the sender queue that is the task that I created, and also that we receive from queue and publish the data to MQTT that the part of structure of JSON. Right now we looking at the MQTT. This part of JSON, and we try to waiting that every 10 seconds, yes, that the volume is changed. And right now we looking at the dashboard that every 10 minutes, every 10 seconds, the volume of the sensor is changed. And I'm waiting. Yes, that's correct. And finally, thank you, Chan, for pay attention and listen. And thank you.